You have made a decision in choosing Capsule as your new CRM. I will show you how to perform a simple and effective data migration using Import to Wizard. You can import data from various popular cloud apps directly into Capsule CRM. Before you start data migration, you need to take certain steps. First, decide what data you want to keep and what data, if any, you will exclude. And prepare your Capsule CRM. In order to prepare a Capsule CRM account for the migration, you can start with creating users to retain record ownership. Create milestones, pipeline stages, with the exact same name as you have in your current software. Create custom fields with the same field types as you have in your current CRM. In Capsule, you can import organizations, people, opportunities, tasks, and activities. You may wish to import all of these data types, or you may only wish to select few. It's time to get started. Head over to Import to Wizard. Start new app-to-app import. Select the CRM where you currently have your data. It's important to know how your data is structured before selecting which type to import first. Every database is structured in a hierarchy, where each type of data has a relationship to each other. You will need to start at the top to ensure these relationships are kept intact. So if you want to import contacts and keep the links to their related company record, you need to import the companies first. The next step is to map the fields you wish to include in the import. You will select from the drop-down menu, which includes all standard and custom fields you have in your database. Once your fields are mapped, you are ready to click Start and begin the import. You can monitor the results in real time from your status page. Then go on with the next data object, people. During import, you can keep the links to the related company record by mapping the field organization. On the Opportunities import, it is important to map the field milestone stage, so the deals are imported to the correct stage. Also, you need to link opportunities to contact person or organization you have already imported into Capsule. Activities and tasks comes the last. You need to map relationship to top-level object here while importing opportunity, contact, or organization. And that's it. Now you have completed the import for each type of data, and you can start using Capsule as your new CRM.